Jai Hind students, welcome in live class. Students, we have completed this chapter's exercises, question answer. Hope everyone noted on your notebook. Students, today we will discuss its activity part. So students, I want to show you that how many activity parts are given. Students, now I am sharing the PDF. See everyone. Students, this PDF, this activity we have given you. Hope everyone done, but today again we will revise it. You will see now how you will get the D, D4, D6 and D9, and also whatever the question is given, how we will do this. Hope everyone done match with your answer. Whatever you have done as a practical session. So students, now you will see. Now we have already opened MS Excel. Here there is given all heads A, B, C, D. This is the only PDF's image we have noted here, and with this help of this image we will draw here. So everyone see here, this is the head A, B, C, D. The head columns are given A, B, C, D. And these all are row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So students here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is given, these are all row heads. Clear students? Now students, the first is already indicated here A, B, C, D. Now after that there is given party expense. So we will write here party expense. First of all we will merge it from A to D. Students see even how we will merge it. First of all we will select from A to D. Now there is the merge center. So click on here, this is the, now it will be merged, clear. Now we will write the party expense, P-A-R-T-Y, party expense. Now we have written party expense. Second, there is given the number of guests. So its column should be little bit increase, number of guests, students, number of guests. We have written number of guests. Number of guests there is given on B column 75. We will write there 75. Now C and D left, so we will be blank it. Next one is there are all the headings are given like item, next one is unit, cost, total cost, this one is also given in left alignment, so we will do here center alignment. Clear students? Little bit. Now next one is the items has given buffet, next hall decoration, next returns, gifts, on 7 disco stage, hall charges, at last there is given total expense. Here first of all we fill the unit. Buffet there is given the 75, next one is given, next one is blank, next one 69, again disco stage is blank, so we will blank it. Hall charges 1 is given in unit case, cost is given 120 in the buffet, and hall decoration that is blank, there is the return gift 20, disco stage is blank, now 5000 it is on the cost. Clear students? Total cost here blank is given, hall decoration there is 500 is given, Next one is given, next one also blank, then 1000 disco stage, blank is here, and at last there is given total expense. We will merge it because they are B and C, that is merge it. So, by the merge and center and write their total expense. These are given the form of table. So, we will make as a table. First of all, select it. Now, we have selected, and here from this is the home button and this is the font part. You can see again here the font is given, they are table form. You just click on it and here all borders. Everyone see that is all border is here. Now, items, there is the green. So, we will select it first of all. Now, go, this one is, and here the items is given, the back stage is given the green color. Issuance, now question, issuance. Now, we have filled each and everything. We can also as a center form we can do by this one, but no need to, whatever given, control plus Z. Okay. Now, the same format we have got. Just now we have changed the center alignment. Now, again the same position. So, we have done the its undo button, any control plus Z. Clear, students? Now, here first question is given, state the formula what would be used in following cells. What should be used? D4 means you can see, students, there is the D4, this is a D and where the 4, see here D4 is showing here, you can see here D4 and asking the D4. D4 it means what? We will find total cost. Then how we will find total cost? Unit is given 75 and cost is given 120. You know, students, if cost of one pen is given the 20 rupees, if you want to find the 100 pens, what you have to do? Of course, you have to multiply. So, here we will do multiply. In Excel, we always will start from the equal sign. So, we will put here equal sign. Now, what we want to do multiply? This unit, this is the B4. We will write here B4, B shift B then 4. Now, 75 selected. Okay. Now, multiply by shift button using the shift and 8. The numeric, that is there is you have to select the 8. Okay. This is the alphabetical, just above is given. Okay. Their numeric pad is both side. Okay. Your left side and the right side in your keyboard, the above the alphabet. So, you have to use above the alphabet. There is the 8 number is given. 8 number there you have to use, when you use the shift key, the asterisk sign will come. See there, I am using here shift then 8. Now, see there, this is asterisk sign. Clear? B4. Now, total cost is given C4. We will write here C4. Clear, students? Now, both the column is selected on buffet, unit and cost. Now, just press the enter button. What we have got? 9000. You can also multiply there, you will get the same, but we have to use here formula. Clear, students? Next one is asking D6. Now, D6 students, D6 how we have to do? D6 is here, students. Okay, they are showing the D6. Similar, equal sign. Then, now D6. So, B6 we will see. B6 is given. What is given? That is return gifts. That is the item, and there 69 is given. Now, multiply sign by the shift, and then 8. And cost is given C6. So, we will write there C6. Now, press the enter. Now we have got 1380. Clear students? Next one, D9. D4 we have done, D6 we have done, D9. D9, everyone, students? For D9, this is the D9, not D8. This is the D9. It means total cost we will find. Before it, we will see that all the columns of total cost is filled or not. Buffet, that is total cost is filled. Hall decoration, that is filled. Return gifts, also filled. Disco stage, filled. Hall charges not filled, but we will see unit and total cost there is given. So again, we will use the same formula, equal sign, then this is the D8. So B8 multiply then C8. Okay. Now we have got all the cost of items. Clear? Now we can find total expense. This is D9 equal. What we have to use? We want to add it. So we have to use the sum function as sum. Sum function, then braces, okay, bracket here, from start from the this D. This one is D. The what is this? This is given D4. Okay, D4 till D8. So now we'll use from shift semicolon and we will write there place of D4 D8. Okay, they all the from 9,000 to 5,000, that is selected. Now bracket, press the enter. What we have got? 16,880. Clear students? Now we can show you what formula we have used. For buffet, B4 multiply C4. Now second, return gift, D6, what we have used? B6 multiply C6. At last, what we have used? D9, sum D4 colon D8. Okay, D4, D6 and D9 we have got now, students. Now next is given, write down the address of the cell that contains the total number of guests. Students, total number of guests is where? Total number of guests, see now, this is the B2. The answer what will be? B2, that is total number of guests. Clear students? So here asking the question, write down the address of the cell. Address of this cell that contain the total number of guests. So what we have got here, total guest is on which content, which column? There is going B2. Clear students? B2. Then how many? 75. Next one is asking, write down the cell address that contain the cost of hall charges. Hall charges. Cost of hall charges. The hall charges, that means cost of hall charges, not total is not given. You can see here hall charges, the cost is given on C8, but charges total cost is given D8. So what will be answer? D8. Clear? Because this is the unit 1 is given, cost is 5,000 and total cost is given in the D8. So for the question number 3rd, write down the cell address that contain the cost of the hall charges. The answer will be D8 because we have got on D8. Clear students? The D8 showing. Next one is given, which mode is displayed on the status bar when you make the changes in a cell? Which mode is displayed on the status bar when you make the changes in a cell? Students, you can see here, suppose I am changing something. Suppose here, this is the A6 is given and status bar is given ready. But when you want to change it, we will just double click on it. Look here. So what we have got? Edit. Edit option, it allowed to change the whatever content are given. Return gifts is given, so we can say return gift, a number of return gifts. So we have written here, suppose number. So what happened there? Now when we have changed, now we want to remove it. So again we will go there, again edit option has come. Now we want to remove the number. Clear students? So this way we can use the edit option. So here the last question is given, which mode is displayed on the status bar when you make changes in a cell. So what we have got, which mode we have got? Edit mode. So D4, what will be answer students? For D4 you have to write, just match, everyone has completed. B4 multiplies C4, okay. Next one is for D6, this is the D6, okay. What we have used, B6 multiplies C6, clear students. Now next one is given D9, what we have done for D9, this is D9 option, equal sum D4 colon D8, clear students. Next one is write down the address of the cell that contain the total number of guests. Total number of guests in which you can see students, total number of guests is 75. This is given B2. Clear? And write down the cell address that contain the cost of hall charges. Here is given, this is hall charges D8. And at last, the question is given, which mode is displayed on the status bar when you make the inner cell. This is given on edit option. This is the edit option. Suppose here, first of all I want to show here, this is Cisco stage, the radio option is given. When you want to change it, just double click on it, then edit option has come. Clear? So students, everyone understood what the question is. We have already asked, and hope everyone done. Now match with your answer. So these things we have completed, and you will note on this book. Clear students? Now next is also one activity section. There is given open Microsoft Excel, enter the given data in a worksheet. This worksheet is given, clear, and their name is given, designation, this is employee information, name, designation, department, salary is given. Okay. So students, we have already made here in sheet 2. We have already made here employee information, there all the name we have included, all designation, department and salary we already included, students. Clear? This is A for name column, B designation, C for department, D for salary. And there are 1 to 13, we have used this one. Name, what a name is given, okay, clear. So students, here the question is, the first question is given, save the assignment, this is the assignment, using the save button on the quick access toolbar. Students, now we will save it. This one is the quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar. Here we can see this is open, this is redo button, this is undo button, and this one is save option. Clear? Now we will click on the save option, also Ctrl plus S. But in questions given, use the save button from the quick access toolbar. So click on it, students, and here save as option has come. Where you want to save this desktop, okay, click on the desktop. And if you want to make a file, new file, so click on here, right click, and there's a new option and folder. Okay. Now here we have got the new folder. We have written here Microsoft Excel. Assignment we can write, assignment. Assignment, Excel 2016. Okay. Now Excel 2016, or we have written here assignment. Okay. Now we have made, You can see yes. Now previously written book 1. Now the file name is assignment. Clear? It is saved on the desktop. Now there is asking students save the assignment. Now we have saved. Next one is insert a row. Insert a row after row 12. Students, row 12 after the row 12 means 13 should be the below. So go on the 13 and click on right click at the insert option. Click on it. Now after 12 the one row has been inserted. There is given insert after row 12 enter the following data. Karan, managing director, marketing. Okay. Now we will write there Karan. Karan, and he has given managing director. Okay. Next one is given marketing. Okay, just like we will write the M, computer will, this Excel will find any their place is given the same word or not. From start from M is written or not. So from M is there is given marketing. We want to write the marketing, so we will click on there. Students, clear? Next one is given the 50,000 salary. So we will write there 50,000 salary. 50,000. Clear, students? Now we have completed second. Third, insert a column before the salary field and enter the heading's phone number. Enter the phone number of the employees in the new added column. Salary fields before the salary. Before salary means from this. Just click on here, right click on it, insert option, see here, now included before the salary. What we will write here? Contact, your phone number. What is given there? There is given phone number. So we will write there phone number. We will include here phone number, students. Clear? Next one is given. Activate the cell A6 and change its content to Rohit. Cell A6. Students, A is here or 6. Look, A6. There is Kiran is written, but what the saying? Change the cell A6 content. What should we write? Rohit. Clear? Now go on the A6 and double click. Now you will see the edit option and write there Rohit. Okay, now we have done Rohit. Third, next one is change the cell content. Change the cell content to production in cell 7, C7. C7 students. C and then 7 is here. What saying? C7 production we will write there. So what is written there? C7 marketing by using the edit mode. So click on, double click on it. Now edit option has got on search bar. P. Now the production P we have written, production already there, so selected here. Click. Next one is copy the content of B cell B11. First of all, select the B11. B11 is where? B11, yes, computer operator. Select it. Next one and asking what question, and B11 select it by using Ctrl plus C and paste on B8, Ctrl plus B. It means what we are doing here, there is given computer operator. We have click on it. Now Ctrl plus C students, Ctrl plus C we have done. Now there is selected and copied, Ctrl plus C. and we will paste it B8, the assistant manager, control plus V. See here, what we have used, control plus C here we have used, and control plus V we have used on B8. Clear, students? Next one is given. After this one, insert a column before column A. Insert a column. A is here. Now right click on here, insert option. Now this is added. Okay, A column. And what's saying here? A column. Write their serial number in cell A3. Okay, serial number, students. First of all, students will make a column. Okay, now where is the serial number? Serial number. Now we have added serial number and should be color also. Go on here. Serial number. This also should be included. Merge and center. Clear? Serial number after included. What is saying now? After serial number there is given, we will start 1 and 2 in cell A4, A5. Here we will write cell A4 1, next one is 2. Okay, we have written. Fill the rest of the entries using autofill feature. Student, autofill feature we know, just select on it. Okay, shift key, first of all this way. Now see here, there are black option here. See, the cursor option is like this. Now when we go in this corner part, now the changes in a cross form. Now drag it to till here. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now select it and here center alignment. Okay, now we have got here. Next one is, now we have done, save the file using control plus S. Control plus S, there is given the control, you can use this one, but here saying the control plus S, so control plus S. Now file has been saved. Clear, students? How we will, whatever we have completed, students, you have to also practice on your system at your home. Clear, students? Today we have discussed, students. First of all, we have told here party expense, they are the C. This one is, students, this is the, also we have given this also as a part of the activity, and all of you match with your this answer whatever we have told you. And next one, activity action, and we have told this tabulation form, and here what the changes, say row changes, column changes, increase and decrease, these all are content changes, these all we have done. Okay, so students, hope everyone clear. By this way, whatever we have told you, phone number we can include here. Clear, students? So now you have to practice at your home whatever we have done today, and next class we will give you, for next class we just giving you this homework. This is the project work, inter-house declamation content. So you have to do practice, and this class we are giving. After this period we will give you, and next period we will discuss this one. Clear, students? So hope, students, all of you enjoyed whatever we have told in activity action and your previous assignment work. So students, next class we will discuss today what we give the project work, and hope students all the things you have to write on your notebook. Practical work only you have to practice on your practical, that is a system, clear, and whatever answer is coming you have to write on your book, clear, no need to write on your fair notebook. So students, now I am leaving class. This is now next period we will discuss your project work. Till then, Jai Hind students.